Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing an Aldi haul. I spent £66 in total and I've got a week's worth of food, which I'll show you in a second. I've also got kind of a meal plan going on, so I'll be able to tell you what we're actually going to be eating during the week, and it might give you some ideas of what Aldi has to offer at the moment. So if you do like this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you're notified when I next upload a video. So without further ado, let's get straight in to the Aldi haul. So starting on this side, we have got I'm not going to go through the prices either because it's quite hard to remember every price, so I hope you don't mind that. But I've got this orange zero sugar, really cheap that was, I know that. Then I've got these 4-pack of flavoured strawberry waters. I'm going to have them for work during the week instead of keep buying constantly. These were like 85p for the pack of 4, so they were a really good price. Then I've got these for the kids, and these were £1.45, I believe. I'm not going to go through every single price, like I just said, but I've got these for packed lunches. These are the cheese curls. My son really, really likes these ones, so I got him those. My daughter's not so much of a fan, so that's why I then got the big 30-pack where it's got all of those flavours in. I then, going over to the freezer section, because I'm just going to, this is how I've sectioned it all off. I've got some frozen mixed veg to go with our roast that we're going to have today, as well as some things during the week. Then I just got some nuggets. My daughter has been asking for nuggets for ages, so I thought I'll just do that, and that will just be a quick oven dinner if we have swimming or something like that after school. Then I got some Yorkshire puddings. Then I coming over here, I've got some just straight chips. Again, they just go with nuggets for an easy, quick oven dinner. Then I've got chicken Kievs. Again, another quick oven dinner. We've got a lot of convenience food in here because this time round, because we have a lot of clubs and stuff like that, and where I'm at work, it's a bit hard. So sometimes it's just easier to chuck these sort of things in. Then we've got a deep pan pizza. Again, just a quick one. And then my daughter has been wanting this for ages, and it's just a puff pastry topped chicken pie. Then I've got this cottage pie. This cottage pie is really, really nice. We've had this in the last 2 weeks in our shopping, and it is really, really tasty, and it's just quick and easy. I'm not one, as you may have already realised, I'm not one to be a really amazing cook. I don't really enjoy cooking. So I'm moving over here, packed lunches, yogurts, chew bits. So yeah, they're just for packed lunches. These are for Jonathan, who likes these yogurts, free fat. You know, that's the fun thing. So you get like 6 pots in here, and you get 3 raspberry and cranberry and 3 strawberry. So I've got those. Then moving over to the fruit, I've got some Pink Kids, which is actually Pink Lady, what do you call it, apples. So they're just for packed lunches and snacks after school. Then we've got some bananas. And then moving over here, got some mango chunks. My daughter and Jonathan really like these, so I picked some of those up again. And then I've got some strawberries. And then we've got a melon medley, so it's got all different melons in there. My daughter absolutely loves this, so I usually put bits of this into her packed lunch. And it's just very convenient instead of cutting up a melon. I know that sounds really lazy, but that is the way I work. So yeah, then moving over here, really random, I've got some wipes, needed those. Then over here I've got some baby plum tomatoes. My favourite are the plum ones and not the cherry ones. They're my favourite. These ones are more tasty, and they actually look better as well. Then I just got some roses, you know. I did just buy some in Panam, but the Panam ones are a bit harsh on you, so I bought these in hope that they're better. So yeah, got those. Then moving over here, just got a roast in the bag chicken. And I'm going to have this today for our roast, which is Sunday at the moment, which is why we're having the roast today. So I'm going to put that on in a minute. And then moving down here quickly, just in the special buy item section, I bought these, which I thought were really, really good. And they are just twin pack containers. And they're just 2 little ones like that. And I thought they were really good for fruit. And then this one here, it's got a compartment in it, so it sections it off. It's a snack container. Again, they were both £1.99 each, and they just really good for packed lunches. I'm thinking of putting biscuits and cheese and stuff and separating them in this one for my son, because he doesn't really like sandwiches, so that's what I'm thinking of doing with that. Then moving on over here, we've just got some baking potatoes. That's mainly for our roast and for like jacket potato in the week and things like that. Then I've just got some tin foil. This is just wrap sandwiches for packed lunches. And then here we've got my most favourite sausages in the world, which is caramelised onion sausages. They are honestly so nice. I highly recommend them, and they always sell out quite quickly in Aldi. Like I have to go to the back of the thing to look for them, but they're really, really nice, so tasty. Then I've got a chicken tikka kit here, and this is really nice. And this is generally, it serves two, and generally me and Jonathan would have this if the kids are having a separate dinner to us. Like if I get him and stuff like that, he makes this, and then we'll both just have that. So that's that. Then I've got some mince. Then I've got some mince. This is just for spaghetti bolognese, so that's one of our meals this week. And then I've got some chicken, which I think with this one, this week we've got in our meal plan that I'm going to do a slow cooked chicken curry in the slow cooker. So that's another meal. So that's 2 meals, spaghetti bolognese and that, plus sausages and mash with this and gravy. So that's 3 meals that I've counted, and plus I've got the chicken pie and the cottage pie. So that's 5 meals already, and I have some oven dinners in case. But moving on over here, we'll probably have these crisp things. They're really, really nice. They're nice to have with, that can go with an oven dinner. But they're like these sliced things here. They're crispy potato slices, and they're just so nice. They're like 85p or something. Then I've just got some noodles because my son is obsessed with noodles. So he doesn't eat very well. So when I can, I get things like this so he eats an actual meal. Not that they're the most great for you, but they're better than him eating chocolate all day, which he would 100% do if he could. Then over here we've got some mini rolls. This is for packed lunches and snacks as well. And then we've got some ham for packed lunches and some chicken for packed lunches. And we'll do that with, I'll tell you in a minute. Then we've got some cheese thins. I'm going to do these with some sliced cheese and make my own, like, you know, the, what are they called? Oh, I can't remember now. But you know, like when you have the cheese biscuits, cheese and ham. Well, I'm going to make my own for my son, and I'm going to use these ones. And I'm going to put it in this box, and that's why I thought, because it's good to separate it. So that's what I'm going to do with that for my son this week, and see if he eats his lunches at school better, because he's not been eating very well at all. So I'm hoping he'll eat them better, because he loves crackers and stuff. Then I've got some baby bells, packed lunches and snacks. And then under here we've got some dippets. My kids absolutely love these. So again, for packed lunches or snacks. And then we've got a cucumber here. And then we've got brioche rolls. My kids absolutely love these. And I also, sometimes put this in packed lunch, or they have it in the morning with a bit of fruit. And that's what they have for breakfast if they want that. If it's an easy, quick, get out the door breakfast, that's what we have. Then here we've got basically fake Mars bars. So we've got the Titans chocolate. Then we've got the Drives, which is like Twix. Then we've got some chocolate cookies 2-pack. We love biscuits in this family. So then we've got some fake Snickers, basically racer bars, and they're quite good. These go very quickly, by the way. Like by the time we get to Tuesday, they're gone. Then we've got some Choco, basically Rice Krispies, chocolate. No, what's it called? Cocoa Pops. Basically like Cocoa Pops, but the Aldi version, and they taste just the same. They're absolutely fine. So I've got those. Then I've got here boil in a bag long rice. That's to go with our chicken curry this week. And then here I've got the little mini wraps, and this is for packed lunches. My kids like to have a wrap sometimes, and I change it up by doing that instead of just having a normal sandwich. And then also we've got sandwich fins here, which is, again, this is for packed lunch. My daughter really likes these, but to change it up, I'd do this, or I would make the biscuits and ham and cheese. Yep, and here I've got rich tea biscuits. And then moving on over here, we've just got some bread. So that is everything that we've got. And I'll quickly do a little pan of what everything we've got. It's quite a lot for £66. So I've done quite well this week. And yeah, basically that will do us for the week, and all we'll have to do is pick up things like milk. We already had milk, which is why we didn't buy it in the shop. And yeah, just basically that is it. That is everything. So like I said, our meals for the week are, we'll have a chicken pie, cottage pie, they're easy things to do. These are just things in case we decide different and the kids want something different. But these here will be 2 meals, so they're really easy to do. Chuck that in the oven, chuck that in the oven, easily done. This is for our roast today, so it doesn't really include in our new week's meal. Then we're going to have sausage and mash. Then we're going to have spaghetti bolognese, so that's 4 meals for the week. And then we're going to have chicken curry, slow cooked. And then we've obviously got, like I said, other bits that can be made, like, so for example, on a Friday night, we could either do an oven dinner if we're not having a takeaway, which we don't really have takeaways that often. So we might just do an oven dinner because it's easy. And, you know, when it's Friday, you get to that point, you're like, oh, can't be bothered anymore. So that'll probably be what happens with that. Or maybe it might be pizza night on a Saturday, maybe, because we usually do things like that on a Saturday. So yeah, that is everything that I got. Okay, so that is everything that I picked up in Aldi this week. I hope that it helped you a bit in giving you some sort of meal ideas or something like that. I don't have the most amazing meal ideas. I literally just have them that are convenient for my family and our circumstances. So I do hope that you really enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. It does help my video. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you're notified when I next upload a video. So for now, I'm going to go and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye!